Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable and access the menu bar that is at the very top of the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Waterfox web browser, and as you can see here in the top left, we got that top menu here with columns like view, edit, file, history, and so on and so forth. So it looks pretty much like in most content creation applications like Google Docs, Word, Google Sheets, and so on and so forth, for Excel. So if you like working with a menu like this to gain access to all the main or basic functions and features of the Waterfox web browser, you can enable that the menu bar at the top. This is how you can do it. All you need to do, guys, is right click into that area next to your tabs and enable the menu bar. So let me disable it and enable it back again. And there you have it. Now it is enabled. You can disable it also by right clicking into itself, also into that menu bar, by removing that check mark here. And that's it. That's how I do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.